Hello, this is Zenix Man. I am going to show you the tracking system of DJI. I have the Mavic Air here, but almost on the same principle, active tracking. And we are going to have a look at how it works.
At my first tryout, I launched my drone from the bridge with the tracking function. Somehow it started to stay at the same altitude and did not follow me at all. So I needed to call it manually back and start all over again. It was the very first failure. It stays at the same altitude in the same spot for a long time. So I decided to try it again. However, after only a minute, the drone stopped abruptly following me. When I checked the remote controller, I have seen that there wasn't any connection, so the drone suddenly started going back to its start position. A couple of weeks ago, while I was snowboarding, I had almost the same experience, and even more. The drone stopped following me, but while it was following me, it stayed at the same altitude, and while it was following me, it crashed the cables and lost it in the snow. So, shortly, what I can say about these drones, if you look at the video quality and the flight stability, DJI has the best drones. However, they need to work on the active tracking system so that the drones will do what we are asking for, namely to follow us.
For shootage and great videos, DJI is the one that you should buy. And if you are looking for a travel drone, just watch my other video, you're going to find the best. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like it or subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.